Hello, welcome to the preview for the Language Models Introductory course provided by CeADAR. My name is Corrado Grappiolo. I'm a senior data scientist at CeADAR, and I will be the lecturer of this course. The course is organized in 4 lessons, and in the first one we will start by having an idea what language models are, and we will learn about n-grams, which is arguably the simplest approach to language models. In the second lesson and onward, we will then have a look at how artificial neural networks are used for language modeling, starting with feed-forward neural networks, and we will cover the word embeddings topic. In the third lesson, we will look into recurrent neural network architectures and how these are used for language modeling. And we will also learn about self-attention and the transformer, which is nowadays the state-of-the-art architecture used for language modeling and in many other natural language processing tasks. In the last lesson, we will keep a broader perspective, and we will look at how massively large language models might disrupt the natural language processing tasks and beyond. And we will also look at implications for what it concerns topics such as natural language understanding, bias in a dataset, and so on. The course is intended to be self-contained, which means that I will provide you with all the foundations that you need to understand all the topics. And all practical aspects will be based on a dataset containing recipes. And I will also show and share code with you so that you can play with it in your spare time, maybe before preparing dinner. What is required from you, on the other hand, is a general understanding of mathematics so that you can understand the little formulas that will be presented. And what I would like you to bring is your enthusiasm, because the more you're engaged and the more you make the lessons interactive, the more fun we will all have. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.